Hello and welcome to SG Talks. This is Shagufta Gulnaz, a certified NLP coach and an experienced educator. Hope you're all doing good. After watching my first episode, I am sure that you have decided to transform your classroom dynamics. And I'm pretty sure that you're going to carry something positive to your classroom. So I am here with another episode for this special series. And today we are going to discuss about an important topic, that is student psychology. Understanding student psychology is the key to effective teaching. Why it is important to understand student psychology? As teachers, we know every student is different. Some students are shy, some are uninterested, some are hyperactive, and some wants to remain calm, but often they show everything with their behavior. So for example, if a student don't want to answer in the classroom for any question asked by a teacher, so what does it mean? That the student doesn't know the answer, or maybe he is fearing, he has that fear that the answer is going to be right or wrong, or if the answer is wrong, what are the consequences? My friends are going to bully me, my friends are going to laugh at me. So these can be the consequences the child may be thinking of. So when we take out time to understand these little things, we can help the students to overcome these fear. And we can help them to learn effectively. This is where NLP comes. NLP is a toolkit to understand how a person feel and act. And this is really very helpful for the teachers to understand their student psychology. Let me share few NLP techniques with you. The first one is observe and adapt. You have to observe your students' behavior in the classroom, how your students are communicating, what they are talking, what they are doing, what they are asking you. So in any activity or in any class, if you observe any student saying that I can see this, I can hear this, I want to talk, I want to touch and see this, so you can understand which type of learner he is. When he is saying I can see this, you can understand that he is a visual learner. When he is saying I can touch, I want to touch this, I want to feel this, that means he wants to feel that thing and he wants to learn in that way. So he is a kinesthetic learner. If he wants to listen, he's saying I can hear this. From here, you can make out that he is an auditory learner. So according to, you can file up your materials. That's how you can observe and adapt each child in your classroom. And the second NLP technique is build trust, build rapport. If your student trusts you, then he or she is ready to learn from you. Building rapport is very important. And as mothers, as teachers, we have this talent to build rapport with any child. You have to come to their level. If a child is shy, you have to talk to them in private. They don't take your appreciations in loud in the classroom. You have to go to them and you have to tell them in private that you did a great job. So it makes them happy. It is the true appreciation for them. If a child is hyperactive, then you have to maintain that equal activeness with that child. And the third NLP technique is reframe negative beliefs. How you can reframe negative beliefs? For example, if a student is coming to you and telling that teacher, I can't do this, I don't know how to do this, I don't know how to solve this. So teachers, you appreciate the students, but you have to change your sentences here. Just the twisting of your words can make the child to learn effectively. You can ask them, child, yes, you have to do this. No, you can ask them, dear, you can solve this. Just think it as a puzzle. Just think it as your favorite game where you're going to solve this, or where you can going to defeat this, and you can do this, and you are going to do this. You are going to learn this. So reframing the negative sentences to positive sentences can help a child to be confident. And the next technique is visualization is the power of every child. Whenever they watch any movie, any cartoon, they visualize themselves as the hero of that story. Maybe it's a Spider-Man or maybe any other character of their favorite character. So they can visualize the things very clearly. If any child is saying that I can't do this, then tell them that visualize yourself that you are giving this answer correct. Visualize yourself that you are going to solve this and you got the correct answer. So when he visualize, then he will get the confidence to solve it. At least he will try to do that. Anchoring positivity. How to anchor positivity? Replace the negative things with the positive things. So, for example, if he is ready to solve and he solved the question, then immediately reframe the sentence that, see, check. Till now you are not ready to do it. Now you have solved the question. So if you try, then you can solve it. If you give it a try, you can solve it. If you try, you can achieve it. And handling disruptive students in the classroom. How you can handle disruptive students in the class? If a student is acting out, then instead of saying keep quiet, sit down, go to your place, instead of using this kind of sentences, you can use it looks like something is bothering you. Let's talk about it later. This shows empathy and can calm down the child. When you use these techniques in your classroom, you notice a great difference in the classroom. Students will start trusting you. They will feel motivated and confident. Even the quiet or struggling one feel included in the classroom. Remember, understanding student psychology means you need not to be a psychologist. It just means that you should aware of your students' feeling and what they think, and using these simple strategies you can help them to learn effectively. Understanding student psychology is the great foundation of teaching, and with tools like NLP, we can build stronger connections with our students, help them overcome fears, and make learning enjoyable. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching my episodes. If you enjoyed this, please share it with your fellow teachers, and do let me know your views in my comment section. Till then, create magic in your classroom. This is Shagufta Gullas signing off. Thank you.